Shake, shake. Hi everyone, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, we continue to look at the crafty surprises inside the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar for 2025. I know I am quite late with these videos, but I wanted to open every window. I wanted to continue opening the Advent Calendar, and I wanted to film these videos for you. Thank you for commenting, by the way. I know many of you said that you missed seeing my videos every day during December, and I do apologize that these videos are coming a little late, but nonetheless, here they are. So today we are opening day 21. So let's go ahead and try and find it. Why am I not see? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's so super small. Look at that. Such a tiny little surprise. Okay, what do we have here? Best wishes. Okay, so this is probably a die. Yep, it's a die. And it's a cute little sentiment die. Now, best wishes, that's a universal sentiment. You can put it on pretty much any card. And who doesn't like a small sentiment die like this? And take a look at the size. So this is just probably 1/2 inch tall by, well, if we put it all together, this is like 3 inches wide. Okay, so this is not a bad size, especially if you're making A2 cards. Let me pause, work on my card, and I'll be back. So here's a look at my card featuring the Best Wishes die set. Now, this card took a long time to make. I kind of pulled a whole bunch of sets from mostly Happy Hour and a Happier Hour collection to put it together, and I absolutely love the way this turned out. So let's take a look at what I did here. So first, I grabbed the Love on the Rocks die set. This is a set from last year, December, I think. I loved it the minute it came out, but I didn't have it when it first launched. It arrived a little later, and I really haven't had a chance to use it. But I've been meaning to make a card using this set, and this gave me the perfect opportunity. Now, this is more of a Valentine's or love themed die set, but I wanted to make it more of an everyday. So I skipped all of the hearts and like the strawberries and stuff, and instead I just used the glass, and I brought in other sets from the Happy Hour collection from last year. In fact, I don't think I used any from the Happier Hour, which is the collection that launched this year. I have the dies, but I haven't had the chance to use them just yet. So what did I use? So I used the Christmas Cocktails die set, and I created the little straw, the striped one, from this die set. I also grabbed this little leafy or like branch die to take out the little branch that you see here, as well as the orange peel. I also did the same trick I did for one of the cards I shared not too long ago with the Advent Calendar, where I used the Gorgeous You Florals, and I used this die, which is a base for this flower, but instead I added the leaves and created the little orange. Although I didn't add any ink blending here for this card, let me go grab that other card and I'll show it to you so you guys can see it side by side. So here's that other card where I decorated the oranges from orange cardstock, and or not orange, I think it was carrot, which is orange, but the name of the cardstock is carrot. And I added some ink blending. Here I used yellow, didn't do any ink blending. In fact, I didn't do any ink blending at all. I thought about adding ink blending to the liquid inside the glass, but I tried it, didn't like it, so I skipped doing that. And then, of course, I brought in the Ideal Moments Sentiments set because I wanted to add like a little pop of color here, and I added the Forever Grateful sentiment foiled in white. And then to finish it all off, and also to add balance to this design, I added the Best Wishes sentiment at the top. I die cut that several times from white cardstock, and I stacked the layers together to create one-dimensional piece. Absolutely love the way this turned out. So for the color combination, I have here Cosmic Sky for the background, Malibu also for the background, and I did my diagonal cut, pretty much the same what I did here, but I went with slightly different colors. Although you can see the color combo is pretty much the same, although I have pink here. I don't have any pink on that other card. I also used Peridot for the green, a Rainforest for the other shade of green, Saffron and Dahlia, as well as the Tutu, the lighter pink color here at the very top. Oh, and also I forgot to mention this cute little bow, and this one I think is from the Olive Martinis. So this is a look at my card featuring the Best Wishes die from the Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. Love the way this turned out. Of course, you can use the Best Wishes die with pretty much anything. That's one of the reasons why I love this Advent Calendar. I get to play with my older die sets, I get to experiment, I get to have fun, and I get to have a little bit of me crafty time, which is just amazing. And I think that's what Advent Calendar is all about. Anyhow, thanks so much for joining me today. You can find links to all the products I mentioned in this video in the video description below, and hopefully I'll be back tomorrow with the next surprise.